What's going on, guys? Gary Aman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope everybody's feeling safe and it's fine. Let's begin right away because today is a exciting day because I just received this, the Sony 90mm F2.8, and this is supposed to be one of the sharpest lenses for your Sony full frame camera, right? And I'm very curious to see if that is truly true. Truly true? Let's do the unboxing together. Just received it in the mailbox, so whew, exciting. Oh, I'm sweating. Oh. I'm shaking. All right, first thing we got here, 1 year extended warranty. All right, always nice to have this because you never know when you need that extended warranty. All right. Oh, it's nice and tight. Put this aside over here. Oh la la. Ooh, it feels so good. Alright. Sorry guys, I'm just very excited. Always nice to have that leather pouch. This is the lens hood itself. Okay. It's quite big. Let's put this here. And here it is, guys. Ooh. Oh la la. Damn. Wow. Ooh. Not sure about the look of this, but oh man, my fingerprints and everything straight up. All right, let's see. Oh. Look at this, guys. Here it is, finally in my hands. Okay, all right. So this is the autofocus manual focus switch. All right, this. Okay, so this is more like a manual focus type of thing. Cool. All right, all right. Customizable button here. Nice little logo. And here the full. Yeah, how you set up your focus range. It's very good to have for macro shots. Optical steady shots, always nice to have some kind of stabilization. Oh, so it's nicely sealed. Man, this feels good, guys. This feels like premium class type of thing. Ooh, can't wait to take photos with it. Oh man. All right, let's switch things up. Let's switch to, I'm now filming on a 20mm. Let's switch to this 90mm. So I have to put the camera all the way to the back. Alright guys, the camera is all the way to the back. I hope that you can hear me. I'm not sure. Can you hear me? I think yes, you can hear me still. And man, whoo. Let's see if the autofocus actually works. I'm not even sure if I'm in focus. So I don't really know. Okay, does this work? Does this work? I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm in focus or not, but anyways, subscribe to the channel if you want to see the full review, which will come in several weeks because I'm going to use this lens very extensively each and every day and to see if it's any good. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the full review and my own experience. Other than that, stay safe, stay healthy. Like the video, of course. Comment down below what you want to see with this lens, and that's all. Good luck.